Manipur के हवसी कोई निबा फिबा मसी यंगशिनबा ऑल इंडिया Trinamool Congress की MP मंगा याउना मियोय मापन नुमित निनी के खोंगचता ngasi Imphal International Airport थुंगलख्रे ngasi थुंगलखिबा MP सिंह अदुदी डॉक्टर काकोलिको सुस्मिता देव डेरेक ओब्रायन कालियन बैनर्जी अमदी दला सेने एयरपोर्ट थुंगलब मतुंग सुस्मिता देव अमदी डोला सेन थोगलक्तुना पाउमी सिंह उनरब मतुंग मफम अदुदगी हेलीकॉप्टर तोंगदुना चुरचांदपुर तमना खोंगशानखे मखाताना तंपाक्ता लेलेबा रिलीफ के मफम खरदसु चटकदौरे यंगसिन खोंगचट असिगी मतंगदा MP सुस्मिता देवना फोंदोरखिबदा मणिपुर की ओइरबा फिबम असि अथुबा मतमदा तंगदु लैताबा पुरक्नबा नाकन अनिमकी ओइबा मियोइसिंग उनदुना वारी सानरबा मतुंग मणिपुर की गवर्नर का ngasi numitang unaduna thokliba irang asigi matangda wari sanagane amaromda manipur da thokliba irang asi athuba matamda loishinbana Narendra Modi ki first priority oifam thokai haiki.
Our visit starts. We want to assure the people of Manipur that our leader Mamata Banerjee, our leader Abhishek Banerjee want peace in Manipur. We want to hear and listen to all the groups because we want everyone to coexist in this state. So we are due to take a helicopter to Churachandpur and then we will come back and we will go to some of the camps in Imphal. We are meeting the governor. The time has not been fixed, but we've been assured that she will see us in the evening. That is our tentative program, and we will be staying tonight. Our leader Mamata Banerjee has told us that we must meet all groups, all communities, all factions, people of all religion, all NGOs to get what is the ground reality. Because Parliament is where the voice of this country is. And we will stand by the people of Manipur in the parliament. That's our strict instruction from our leader Mamata Banerjee. That the Prime Minister of India in the last assembly election of Manipur said that peace is the main reason to vote for BJP. But today it is seen that this government, the central government and the state government has somehow not been able to contain the situation. I come from Assam. I have seen thousands of people from Manipur going into Assam and Silchar, Gachar, in relief camps. We have seen on television, thanks to our media friends, that thousands of people are in the relief camps. We will go to all relief camps of all factions.